Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 12 of our 30 Days of Yoga Challenge. And today we will be exploring an energy boosting yoga flow. So what you'll need today is your yoga mat and a yoga block. And if you do not have a block, you can always grab a disinfectant wipe container, which works perfectly for what we're going to use it for. So go ahead and grab those props that you need, and we will get started. So we're going to start at the top of the mat in mountain pose, Tadasana. Go ahead and walk to the top of your mat. Be mindful of your feet being parallel to one another. Lifting the toes, making sure that the ball and the heel are rooted into your mat. You might have to lift your arch and then replace the toes back down. Lift your shoulders up and down and back. And then hands down by your side. Let's start with our 3 breaths here. Inhale through the nose, exhale out of the mouth. Let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. And then starting here, inhale as you bring your arms out and up. On the exhale, go ahead and sit into your chair pose. So bending your knees, sending your hips down and back. Keeping the arms lifted here. Take a breath. And then bring your hands to your heart. Take an inhale. On the exhale, start to twist to your right. So keeping your shoulders open, twisting the torso. And you may find that your left elbow may be able to come out to the outside of the right knee. If not, that's okay. We're focusing on the twist. And then we're going to keep that right foot planted. Lift the left leg, step it back. Take your time. Staying in our twist. And then go ahead and grab your block. I'm going to use the container. And then reach your right arm up. And then we're going to switch, bringing that right hand down, planting the left leg and reaching the left arm up. And then putting the container or the block off to the side. Bring your hands to the inside of your right foot. Go ahead and step the right foot back. And we're coming to downward facing dog. Heels are reaching down towards the mat. Head is between your arms. Take a deep breath here. And then lower the knees down as we come to our table pose. Let's do a cat and cow here. So let's inhale, lower the belly down, arching the back. Chest is forward, gaze is forward. And then exhale, curl the back, chin to chest. One more time, inhale, come into your cow pose, arching the back. And then exhale, curling the back. And then from here, walking your hands towards the right side of the mat, step the left foot forward. And once you're there, tuck the right toes under, so the back foot. And then lift that back leg, keeping a bend in the front knee. And here you can grab your block if you like. Keeping that bend in the front knee, bringing your block under your right hand. Reach your left arm up. And then bringing it down, switch, bring the left hand to the block, plant the right foot down and reach the right arm up. We're going to switch one more time. So right hand down, lift the back foot or the back heel. We're twisting, opening up to the left side. And then put your block off to the side. You're going to stay twisted here, hands to your heart. Go ahead and step that right foot forward in your chair twist. Coming back to our regular chair, reaching the arms up. Inhale as you stand. And exhale, arms down by your side. And we'll go through all of that one more time. So standing in your mountain pose, inhale, reaching your arms out and up. Exhale to your chair pose. Moving just a little bit faster this time. Bring your hands to your heart. Inhale here. Exhale as you twist to your right. Shift your weight to your right leg. Step the left foot back into your twist. Go ahead and grab for your block. Left hand down, right arm reaches up, keeping a bend in the right leg or the right knee. Bringing the right arm down, planting the back foot, and reaching the left arm up this time. Moving the container or block off to the side, bring the hands to the inside of the right foot. Step the right foot back to downward facing dog. Heels reach down towards the mat. Take a breath here. And then go ahead and lower the knees down to our table pose. From here, we'll go into our cat and cow 2 rounds. Inhale, lower the belly, arch the back. Gazes forward, cow pose. Exhale, curl the back, chin to chest. Cat pose. Inhale, arching the back. And exhale, curling the back. Coming back to our table, hands walk over to the right side of the mat. Step the left foot forward. And then tuck the right toes under or the back toes. Lift the back leg. Go ahead and grab your container here. Left hand down, right arm up, planting the back foot down. Keeping a bend in the left knee. And then switching, bringing the right hand down to your container. Lifting the back heel or reaching the left arm up. Putting your props off to the side. Keeping your twist, bring your hands to your heart. And then step the right foot forward to your chair pose and your twist. Coming back to our chair pose. Facing forward, reaching the arms up. Inhale as you stand. Exhale, arms down by your side. And we'll end here with our 3 deep breaths. Let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One last time, inhale. And exhale. Thank you for joining me today for this energizing flow, and I hope that it gave you the boost that you needed. And I will see you all tomorrow for day number 13 of our 30 Days of Yoga Challenge.